Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous mirror worked paper quilling greeting card for Diwali, where I will share how to make this beautiful Diya along with the background and the beautiful mandala pattern which is made using paper quilling strips and mirrors. And this is looking super attractive with all the festive colors. And also inside this I will show you how to write the sentiment. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking one Diya template and just tracing it on maroon color cardstock, and then I will quickly trim it. So the base is ready. Now we'll decorate this using paper quilling strips. So first of all we have to outline this Diya or lamp using red or maroon strips. I have just joined 4 strips together to make thick bunch of strip and then curved it little bit according to the shape, cutting the excess strip from both the sides, and similarly I am going to cover remaining sides. Just wiping out the excess glue using wet brush immediately, and this is done. Then I am taking one red color 3mm strip and creating the beehive loops like this. Just curl it from little distance, make coil, remove the tool, again make coil from little distance, and repeat the process till the end of strip. So you will have beautiful beehive technique paper quilling coils. So we are going to fill our Diya using these beehive pattern. Adding glue inside this and just filling it with the beehive coils like this. So after filling it completely, it will look like this. Then for the finishing touch, I am outlining complete Diya using one more red color strip. And the super beautiful Diya is ready. Very gorgeous. Now to create flame, here I am taking one strip of orange color and making one leaf shape. Then wrapping one strip of medium orange color on this, and then wrapping one strip of yellow color. Then taking one strip of yellow, dividing in two parts, and using half strip I am just creating the loose coil. Similarly repeating with another half strip. Then making the bended leaf shape and sticking it on both sides of the centerpiece. Like this. Then taking two more bended leaf shapes which are made using 1 strips of light orange color. So I am sticking these two petals on both the sides like this, and then wrapping this complete petal using light orange strip. And the flame is ready. Now I am just sticking it on yellow color paper, trimming the excess paper. And the flame is completely ready, so it will come on the diya like this. So gorgeous. Then I'm taking a white color cardstock which is 18 by 13 centimeters. I have just created center by leaving 1.5 centimeter margin from bottom and finding out the center, and using the same center I am creating one semicircle using 5 centimeter radius. Now using candied apple and wild honey distress inks to create the background. So here I am taking one more rough paper circle which is made using 5 centimeter radius, and I am sticking it on the card base exactly on the part where we have created the semicircle, securing it nicely using paper tape. So I am going to distress the base cardstock, and here I am creating my own stencil of semicircle so that the portion which is covered with semicircle will not get any ink and it will remain white. Now I'm starting with the wild honey and doing the distress work using blending tool. If you don't have distress colors, don't worry. You can simply use watercolors or poster colors. Then taking candied apple and making little more darker tone in the center part. Then taking this beautiful stencil, applying it on top of the sheet, and again applying candied apple on top of this. Then it comes the magic of distress inks. I am just applying some splashes of plain water, soaking the water splashes using tissue paper, and wherever the water droplets are there, it got reacted with the ink and it leaves the white splashes. So whatever background you are using for the base sheet, it gets those color splashes. Isn't it the magic thing with the distress inks? So you have beautiful splashes. Now I am removing the rough paper, and can you see how gorgeous and simply beautiful and crisp pattern has came in the bottom with the plain white portion. So this is done. Then I am taking golden color strips which I am going to stick on top and in the bottom. And then it's time to stick our diya and flame on top of this. Like this, and then I am connecting one silver color stone on the joint of Diya and the flame like this, and the base of the card is ready. Now I'm taking one yellow color cardstock for base, which is 28 by 19 centimeters. I have just folded it from center, and now I'm sticking my distressed card on top of the yellow card base. So this is done, burnishing it nicely, and then I'm taking yellow color strip, adding glue on the edge and sticking it all around the edge of this semicircle. Again, here I have added 4 strips together to create nice thick yellow strip. You can also use 300 GSM cardstock strip if you don't want to connect strips together. Just take thicker cardstock strip. Trimming the excess paper, wiping out the glue marks immediately, and this is done. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared some tight coils. Now around the edge of the semicircle, I am going to stick these tight coils. And this is done. Now for the next row I am wrapping white color strip around these tight coils. Then I am taking half strip of white color and wrapping it around the paintbrush to make the ring shape. So the ring is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared some more rings. Now taking back the card, and around this I am sticking these white color rings. And this is also done. Then wrapping one more white color strip around this. And for next step, I am taking 1/4 strip of light orange and 1/4 strip of red color and making one leaf shape. So I have already prepared some leaves. Now taking back the card, and I am going to stick these leaves in V shape, starting from the center and then continuing till the end. Similarly repeating on other side, and this is done. Then I am just decorating the top of these leaves using red color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strips. Then taking small mirrors which are 3 mm and sticking it inside each white color ring. Then I am taking 3 mm diamond shaped mirrors and sticking it on top of the leaf pattern. Similarly completing it, and now for the finishing touch I am just adding some gold acrylic paint dots here and there using ball tool on white space. And then adding the sentiment Happy Diwali. Here I have added 3 layers using Happy Diwali die by Dress My Craft, golden, red and white to have nice dimension. And then inside the card I am just writing the Happy Deepavali sentiment using brush pen. And the super gorgeous greeting card with the mandala pattern, distressed background and the quilled Diya is ready. It's looking super gorgeous. You can change the color combination according to your choices or wishes. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.